For nearly 50 years, Promess has been offering sensing solutions for manufacturing, and it all starts with a phone call.
Thank you for calling Promess. This is Stephanie. How
Once
can I
you've
help you?
discussed your objective with a Promess engineer, they'll create a strategy to move forward with your application. You're then invited to the Promess Process Development Center, where you can work with an engineer to workshop your application. Once you and the Promess team come to a solution that addresses all of your application's needs, we'll provide on-site programming assistance and startup support. That way you can install and get your production running faster than ever. Additionally, Promess offers training on all purchased products for you and your entire team. But the support doesn't end there. Promess also offers 24/7 lifetime assistance on all our products, so you can always get answers to your questions, wherever we may be. Promess, for all your pressing needs.